Hi guys, so this is a voiceover from this video. Yeah, so this is our staterooms from the Disney cruise we went on last year. 7511 and 7506. An inside standard room and a Oceanview room at the front of the ship. Both rooms were very nice, as you could see with the quick pan over from each room. But yeah, so what's it called? The first room was like a little nook where Brittany's standing. It was like a little enclosed little area. This is the standard ocean view. In the front we have one big giant porthole. You know, there's many videos of this on the YouTube, but what's it called? 7511 is a very interesting room, and we liked it as a first inside stateroom. This was our second and third cruise, Disney cruise. So yeah, this is a quick overview of our room. We lived in it. We forgot to take a video at the very beginning. So yeah, enjoy guys.
Hey, we're hitting a storm again.